All right, back in the record.
Welcome back, adventurers. We last left our dynamic duo blocked at the gate to Kingston, so we make our way back down the wonderfully smooth Kingston Peak Road. We would then head east back on Pisgah Lake Road to connect up with Yankee Hill and Mosquito Creek Road, where we would go north, where we would connect back into Kingston Road, which is hopefully not closed, to connect into Mammoth Gulch Road, which would take us to our final destination, Rollins Pass. Now, we had planned Jenny Creek, but, it was like 3 o'clock by the time we got to the split off, so, that was scratched.
Yeah.
Enough ramblings for now. On with the rock show.
All right, you got this, man. I'll join you on the shit path. I don't think I remember this.
This is some of that area of Pisgah Lake Road, Yankee Hill, and Mosquito Creek Road that are just a little bit more rocky than the other parts.
Oh yeah, I remember. We stopped before this and we're like, okay, this is gonna suck. Whoa.
And also kind of watery and foresty and, well, just beautiful.
Yeah. Dramatic change from what we were just doing. Whoa, that was a big old rock. Same. Yep. Uh-oh. So, we have options. That was a lot more sketchier than I wanted. Oh, slightly deep.
Trail 772.1. We've made it to Yankee Hill, Mosquito Creek Road.
Yeah, there's wet and then there's muddy.
And just like that, we're on 353.1. Kingston Peak Road, gunfire.
What did I hear? Somebody's firing guns.
At this point, it was around lunchtime.
I'm a complicated
We
man.
really needed to find a place to eat that hopefully had shade and a pretty good view.
we're not in the direction of those gunfires.
My first choice was a terrible decision.
What do you say we go up here? Oh, do not come up here.
So we kept looking.
Pretty sure it's right. Hang on. Oh, guess what? I told you fucking totally wrong. It goes up there and just dead ends, though. It might be interesting. Or it might... Alright.
We finally ended up in a place that was kind of like a dead end just off of Mammoth Gulch, which had a spectacular view.
Yep.
There's a lot of places, but it's in pothole areas like this where I'm very thankful that I have Enduro-Tech suspension work.
Whoa! Oh! I lost nothing. Drone took a tumble. Okay. Yep. That one right there. If we had taken a right, that's old Jimmy Craig. Shit. I mean, granted, their vehicles are much lighter, but still. They don't even have a single horsepower. It's got one people power. I've seen Kermit's legs more today than I have any other day. He is just flailing away. Oh, okay. Once I pick my bike up one time, or have help picking my bike up one time, my confidence meter or my willingness to do stupid shit goes down a peg.
Well, it's 3 o'clock and we're just now at Yankee Doodle Lake and encounter our first snowbank. No video of the first struggle, but just know it took about 45 minutes of me not throttling through the snow.
Yeah, we're on the big trail. Oh yeah, do this, come on. Yep. No problems.
Great friend gets off his damn bike and helps push. A decent friend just sits and videotapes it.
You're just paving a way for me, man, that's fine. Oops.
Oh, that's just your axle. You're buried.
Yeah. Okay, yep. This is where we call it.
So we decided at 4 o'clock it was best to just turn around rather than push our bikes across and then back over and, well, have it get dark, things start freezing, so, you know, back home we headed.
Yeah, I hit the ledge. Where's the reverse on these bikes?
Alright, there we go. Alright. I can see it, your front wheel's in it now.
Ever wonder why there's random rocks in a row and random places?
Throw it in so it sticks.
Okay, I think we got plans now.
We would finally make it out. Join us next time where we get to hang out with the San Isabel Enduro crew, mark trail, put up ribbon that I wasn't supposed to, and have a great time. Oh, and if you're in Blackwell, Texas on the 23rd or 24th of September, I'll be on row 76, person A. Thanks for watching.